It is the first week of April, and in Japan, that means one thing. Everything begins. I am on the train heading into the city on a quiet weekday morning. The carriage is full, but no one is making much noise. Something in the air feels different. I look around slowly, and then I understand. The carriage is filled with new suits, dark jackets, white shirts, pressed collars. Everything is immaculate. The young men have combed their hair carefully. The young women look composed and prepared. Everyone looks as though they have rehearsed this moment. They carry stiff new bags and briefcases, the leather still unworn, not a scuff or crease anywhere. One young man catches my eye. He is opening his briefcase again, lifting the clasp, looking inside, closing it, then opening it once more. I imagine what is in there. A new pen, still in its packaging, a clean notepad, a company ID he has not used yet, maybe a folded umbrella because the forecast mentioned a chance of rain. He wants everything to be in order. He wants to begin well. I recognize that feeling. This is what I have always found moving about Japan in April. The whole country steps forward together. The same week, same suits, same morning. A shared beginning. Back in Hawaii, it wasn't like this. People started new jobs whenever they started. There was no collective moment, no single day when a generation stepped into the world. Here, the beginning has weight. It is marked. It is shared. And I find that after all these years, I still appreciate it. The young man closes his briefcase one final time and sits a little straighter. Something has settled. He has decided he is ready. The train slows, a station I don't recognize. Some of them stand, smooth their jackets, and make their way to the doors. I watch them step out onto the platform, back straight, steps measured. A new chapter is beginning. I hope it goes well for them.